We want to find the equation of a line given the slope of the line and a point on the line with coordinates x1 and y1. In the previous two videos, we discussed how to find the equation of a line given 2 points lying on the line. And in both methods, one of the steps was to find the slope of the line using the coordinates of those 2 points. You can find the links to those videos in the description. For this problem, we can actually find the equation of the line using the previous two methods, but by skipping the part we calculate the slope of a line, because the slope of a line is already given in this problem. Let's solve the problem using those methods. We find the equation of line using the first method in this video and using the second method in the next video. So method 1, we are given the slope of the line, which is m. So we can write y equals mx plus b. Note that here m is given and b is unknown yet. To find b, we insert the coordinates of the given point into this equation and we solve it for b. So y for this point is y1 equals mx1 plus b. And once we solve it for b, we have b equals y1 minus, we bring this mx1 to this part, to this side, and it becomes y1 minus mx1. Therefore, we found b as well. Therefore, the equation of the line is just y equals mx plus b, where b is y1 minus mx1. And this is the equation of the line. But in order to be sure that we have not done a mistake in our calculation, we need to check those two given things. That is, we need to check that the slope of the line is actually m and the given point actually lies on this line. So let's check them. So in order to check the slope of a line, we just need to look at the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is m, which means that the slope of the line is m. So this one checked. Next, we want to check that this point actually lies on this line. For that, we need to insert x1 into x, and we have to get y1 for y. Otherwise, it means that we have done a mistake. So let's do it. Y equals m. For x, we insert x1 plus y1 minus mx1. So mx1 cancels with minus mx1. Therefore, y equals y1. So we got it. Therefore, this is also checked, which means that the equation that we found is the correct equation for this line. Now let's do a numerical example. Let's assume m is 2 and the point is actually 2 and 1. So first we write y equals, we know m, so y equals mx, which means 2x plus b. Then we insert these coordinates into this equation to find b. So for y we insert y1, which is 1, equals 2 multiplied by x, which is, we insert x1, which is 2, plus b. Once we solve it for b, it is 1 minus 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, is negative 3. Therefore, y is, so this is b, y is 2x plus b, 2x plus b, which is plus minus 3, it's just minus 3. This is the equation of line. So as we said, we should check that those two given things are happening and are checked. So we need to check that the slope of line is actually 2. If you look at the coefficient of x here is 2, which means that the slope of line is 2. So this is checked for our numerical example. And then if we insert, so if we put y equals, if we insert x1 into this equation, we should get y1. So 2 multiplied by x1, which is 2, minus 3 is 4 minus 3 equals 1, which is y1. So this is also checked. Therefore, the equation that we found for our numerical example is the correct equation of the line.